We have prepared like some surprises.
Okay. Let me-
Love that music. No?
Okay.
Very good.
So we'll go live in about a minute and 20 seconds.
Awesome.
Perfect.
That music is
I like
super
how the
energetic.
music like
Yeah.
it's more
Yeah, it's the perfect one.
yeah, and
Yeah.
it gets more energetic as but like it's getting closer.
Awesome. Hi, Joe. Can you hear us?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
it's still there.
Yeah. Hi, Joe.
Oh,
Can you
sorry, I
hear
have
us? Okay. Okay. All right. So, hi everyone. So today we again have the team from Voxo, who's going to do a live demo and go a little bit more in depth compared to the last session we had. So I hope you did get some time to watch the last session. It was incredible, lots of questions, and we have a lot of things to talk about today. But we're joined by a special guest, Joe. Joe runs a creative agency called Loud Egg. He's from New York. And Joe, why don't you give an introduction, and then we'll get Belle and Daryl to give an introduction as well about themselves.
Hi, guys. Thanks for having me. First off, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you very clearly.
Yeah.
Loud and
Making
clear.
sure. Hello. Yeah, basically, my name's Joe. I like art. I run an agency. I like video tools, as most of the group knows, and big fan of Woxo.
Excellent. Excellent. And I'm sure everybody knows Daryl. So, Daryl, do you want to do a quick introduction? And last but not the least, Belle, who's going to run the
Yeah.
show. And Joe is going to run the show most of it. So, there we
Oh, I'm not ready to show.
Hi everyone, I'm Dario. I'm part of the Woxo team. I work there as a firefighter, just doing everything that I can to make the team be more successful. And yeah, that's it. It's a really honor to be with you guys today. Thank you for having us.
Excellent, Daryl. Belle, please.
He's our CEO. He's like the creator. So yeah, let's not forget that.
Firefighter.
So I'm Belle. I'm part of the marketing team, and yes, today I'm gonna be showing you a bit of how Woxo works, little tricks. So I hope, well, everyone will have a bit of fun today in this Friday evening. I don't know, late afternoon. I don't know where in the world is everyone based. So yeah, I'm just going to take a quick guess.
Yes. So most of our audience would be, I think folks in India, Asia would be sleeping, but I see some names already there.
Oh,
So I love the enthusiasm. I think we are in EST, so
Thank
yeah,
you.
it's lovely Friday afternoon, and we're excited for the demo. So we're already getting a few comments. So hi Aditya, hi. Thanks for tuning in, and we have Olivier, Sam as well. So hi guys, thanks for joining, and I hope you can stay through the session and ask questions. But what I'll do is, Joe has been a big advocate of Voxel, so thanks, Joe. Credit to you for bringing the group's attention and sharing what a great tool it is. Do you want anything specific to see, Joe? Do you want to give a quick overview, and then we can jump right into the live demo?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot I have to learn about the tool, but I think what attracts to me as an artist, that I can really focus on doing my art, making my cartoons, animations, and then just throwing it into Woxo and getting it out there on social media, especially Facebook, Twitter, and the Instagram widgets, which are great. And I've been trying to work with Daryl and bugging him at 2 a.m. and saying, "Hey, can we do this? Can we do this?" And he's like, "Oh my God, these artists, they're driving me nuts."
I love it.
That's
I
But
love it.
yeah,
Yeah.
I just want them. I want to learn from more. So I have a few questions, but let them do the webinar so we can all figure out what's going on from the beginning here.
okay. Okay, great. So what we'll do is, well, are we okay to move to the screen sharing? Are we okay? You don't have to do anything. You good?
I'm perfectly ready.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Awesome. So there we have it. We have the screen already. Bell is sharing the screen, and that's what you see when you log into Voxo dashboard. And
Yeah.
take it away, Bell, please.
Thank you very much. Well, first of all,
Hi, Daryl.
thank you all for being here, and thank you for giving us this opportunity to share, well, Voxo with you. Thanks, Joe, for being here and for all the lovely comments and posts. So thank you very much. I didn't get a chance to thank you before. So basically, this is our reception area. This is what you get once you log into Voxo with your account. This is our main dashboard. And as you can see, Voxo helps you with videos and so social media. You have different categories here, and as well as widgets. So you can switch. It's a really easy way to switch from one tool to the other, and you can see your recent projects here. So this is the main overlook on the dashboard. You also have tutorials and this cool thing that is my assets. So here, if you have already some assets, some media, fonts you want to upload, you can go here and this will appear. So you can take files from your computer, you can use from your web address, different storaging, online storaging things, and social media. So once you upload them, you can see that we have here images, music, and font, and videos. Sorry, I was forgetting about the videos, the main the main thing from here. Once you click on all, you can see that here we have all the things, these are some random things I've uploaded. So from my own computer and from my Instagram, Voxo's Instagram. So I'm gonna use them to create the videos. And let's see how this process would be. As you can see, I can start from the dashboard, or I can just click here that says video templates. And we do offer quite a lot of templates that you can play around. So you don't have to start from zero. You can just click on this see all little thing, and you'll be taken to the template tab. This thing, as you can see, it has many options for you to choose from. So it goes from email marketing to pets, and that's the category we're gonna use. So I'm just gonna click on pets, since we're gonna do a quick demonstration of how it would look like if I'm a pet store owner and I would like to create some content for my monthly calendar. So you can see here that I can just click on this thing here and it will select all the templates inside this category. Or I can just scroll down and I can click, for example, this one and just this one. And let's go with one. I love this category. It's like celebrities with their pets. So it's kind of viral. And let's aim for this. So I'm just gonna go for this one. And as you can see, it always offers like a go-to-sheet option that it's a little trick that we're gonna use later. But just right now, I'm gonna go with these templates and we're gonna go to new project. So this will take us to the editing area. And it looks something like this. So I have all my templates here. As you can see, each row represents one video. And you have basic customization. It's really quick. So as you can see here, we have like 3 scenes. So I'll just go back to the first one. Oops, sorry. And each scene is composed of media, a title, and a text. You can customize it here. You can use your own uploads, or as you can see, we have an integrated library from Pexels. So you can just type any videos or images you want. Let's type happy. And let's use some happy images to cheer us up this, this Friday. So I'm gonna go with this one. And there we go. It's gonna be uploaded in the preview. As you can see, here's lovely girl. So you can change the text, say like happy Friday. And here we go. It also changed. So it's like crisscross. Oh, sorry. We have like happy Friday pet lovers. So because let's remember this is like for pet lovers. Who doesn't love pets? And as I can see, I can move it here. And well, as well as the general customizations that you have like transitions and music, I can duplicate if I really love the video. So I can duplicate it and maybe do some A/B testing. So I can use some similar one and make some small changes. But what it's gonna matter as a company is to change the branding. So here you can select to use your own branding. And for the logo, I'm gonna go with one of my logos. So I think it was this one. That looks like really good. And you can apply maybe if you're using a special font and some color palette, you can use that. So I'm just gonna click on apply. And we're gonna see like the logo changed in all our videos. So as you can see, like here, we can see the logo. We can also opt to like not use any logo. We just need to click on this eye and the logo will disappear. So it's just like depending on what you're aiming for. And there you go. You don't have the logo anymore. So there we go. If we click on the preview, like no logo. Oops, sorry. But what I was telling you about with the sheets and everything, we also offer some cool integrations. So all the templates I was talking about here in the category of pets, you can see that we have them all in Google Drive. So why is that? Well, let me show you. You can directly modify everything from a Google Drive. This will have to keep like the structure that I was mentioning you before. So the media, the title, and the text for each scene. You can customize as many scenes as you like. And I see someone from the team, I share this URL with the team. It's already in here. So hi, I don't know who that is. It's typing, and you can see collaboration in real time. So you can work with the team and they can help you out with all the things that you want. okay, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting something like the lines of how lovely are your videos. Okay, maybe what can I do? So you can collaborate with your friends if they want, and they can really help you out. Let's change a bit the copy. See, okay, more friendly. So let's put hi John, is this more friendly? And I can put hola. It's my, like, I speak Spanish, so I can. So I think this is gonna work fine. Let's see if the team agrees. But you can share and make these silly things in real time. And well, nothing. It's just to play around and really like work with the team. So there's also a cool feature. If I don't want to go looking for images, I can just use tags. So I'm here just, since this is a pet shop, I'm just gonna click on dog, and that's gonna be it. And I'm gonna show you what it can do. But as we were telling you about, this is a bulk creator thing. So I'm just gonna copy these few scenes, and I'm just gonna take it to make quite a bit more of videos. So this is a bit of the Adopt on Shop. So it was a bit of the templates I was showing you before. It's just I copied them to the table. So let's see, I'm just going to copy from 16 to 16, I think. So here we go. We've reached 60, 77, 55, okay, 100 and something. So why would I want so many videos? Well, you can create as many videos as you want, and you can copy it and make simple changes. So the same videos, maybe you can use them for A/B testing, to repurpose them. So a bit of here and there, and let's go and use them in our editor. So as I was telling about, just like take into account this thing, here we go. And well, let's go here. I'm just gonna go and click on integrations, then on import Google Sheet. And here I'm just gonna copy, you see this URL, I just copied it, and I'm just gonna paste it here. You don't have to do anything else, just click on pull. And here it's gonna ask me to give access. So I'm just gonna grant access. And voila, let's see how it goes. It's gonna redirect me once again, and it's gonna take all those videos. You can see that it has 110 videos, and there's no errors. So there's no problems with the format or characters. It's just, okay, let's click on import videos. And it's gonna transform these 110 videos, like these rows, into videos here on the editor. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Sorry, it seems like with the streaming and everything, my computer is collapsing a bit. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, that's always a challenge. No worries. And if something happens, we can always connect the session.
Yeah.
It seems like it's still alive. So I noticed the video editor may be going a bit slower, but I noticed myself with the interview going a bit slower, so I think that's okay. It's sometimes happening with the streaming thing, like my computer's crashes. So yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed. Here, well, you can see that a lovely picture of dogs appeared. So I don't need to copy the URLs. I just need to click on dog, like type what I'm looking for, and the AI is just gonna fill this in. So yes, we have some cute puppies, and the logo I already uploaded there. So hi John, hola. There we go. Let's go to the export part. This is the cool part.
Are you actually sharing something different? Maybe the screen has got stuck. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I was noticing the same. Like, but I thought it was an issue from my end. Yeah. It's like this.
I'm on the editor. Aren't you seeing the cute puppies?
No.
No, it's showing better The pop-up. It's showing the importing pop-up.
Oh,
Got
oh no,
stuck
the videos
there,
have
like the image.
already been processed. Yeah, I'm seeing here. I'm gonna stop sharing and share again. Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Yeah.
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 Oh.
Perfect.
Oh.
Sorry. It was, yeah.
So
I
we
kept
missed
my
a part of
fingers
the
crossed.
dogs. Yeah, we missed a part of the dogs because I didn't see that neither. That's
Oh,
okay.
sorry. Okay,
All
so
good. All
this
good.
happened. I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Are you seeing now the cute puppies?
Yes, we
There
are.
are the
Yes.
puppies. Yes, I see the puppies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Perfect. So I was telling you missed the explanation about the dog thing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay. So basically, what I was telling you guys about is that in the media, you don't have to feel here are some
Bell.
URLs.
1 second.
Yeah.
1 second. When you in your screen on, I think you have the voice on for the live sharing window, so you might want to. No, not that
What's
one. Do you have the face? Because there is an echo. I think there is an echo.
Yeah, I was hearing the echo.
Okay, we're good now.
But
Okay,
I
we're
don't
good.
hear it anymore. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Sorry about that. Okay, go ahead. Yes.
No worries. So in the media, I can just copy the URLs from Pexels, from Stockshare, for wherever you like. We do offer Pexels since it's copyright free and you don't have to worry with those issues of copyright. But you can also use like keywords, and the editor will automatically look for an image in Pexels. So in here where I was telling you about, and it will fill it with an image. So you don't have to worry about it. It will just fill itself. You don't have to go copying and pasting all the images. You can just type dogs, I don't know, pet shop, and there you go. So now we're all seeing the videos. Let's go export them and see how they will look like. So I'm just going to build this thing called native videos. We also have a dynamic video feature that it's available. I'm going to show it to you later on. So yeah.
Okay, great.
It's
And meanwhile, if anybody has any questions, we've quite a few people watching it live, so please feel free. Please go ahead and ask any questions.
Sure, I'm happy to answer everything. So yeah, just feel free to comment and send your questions. I'm ready for them. Keep it coming. If not, I can also tell bad jokes if you have. I don't know if you have contacted me via support, but yeah, I'm the one who tells bad jokes. I'm so sorry about it. But yeah, I'm the one who shares like gifs and bad jokes. So yeah. But yeah, you can create like your content for the month. And yeah, in just like 46 seconds, we had like 110 videos ready to go. So as you can see here, we have the option to bulk download it. Sorry, the preview is taking a while. Let me see. All the while you're seeing the videos that had been built. Please tell me the screen is still sharing. Are you still seeing everything?
Yeah, we are still seeing everything.
Yeah.
I just changed to a different scene, but while we're waiting, but I can change it back to where it was before, and we can only see you on the screen, so we can cover the entire screen with the Woxo.
It's okay. I was just checking. Sorry, I was being paranoid since I got lost a bit there with the creation. So I just wanted to check like everyone's saying this.
Yeah.
So perfect. So you have the download option. Like you can bulk download the whole thing, or you can go as well like one by one. Here in the bulk download, it's gonna download a zip folder, so you'll have all your content ready for maybe this is gonna be like 3 months, and you can just use your preferred sharing tool and it's gonna be ready. You can also use this sharing, like bulk sharing option, where you're gonna get a link. So let me show you this. So I'm just gonna copy. I'm just gonna show you how the page will look like if you want to share these videos with maybe a coworker, some friends to like preview it, and it's gonna look like this. So
Yeah,
let's just wait a bit
it's
until
taking a while to load
fully
because there are like 110 videos there. So it's like they weigh approximately like 5 to 7 megabytes each one,
Yeah.
with that length. So it's gonna be like almost like a yeah, a lot of like uh, data to download your network.
yeah, and here we go. Here we have like the previews of everything. Sorry, the final look of everything, and you can download it directly here. And you also share like here. You can also share this page by email or on your social media. Like John, I know you were interested on Facebook, so you can share like this screen on your Facebook. Like, look, I've already got my content ready for the month. Who wants to collaborate, or who wants to use these templates with my brand or my cartoons? And you can just change the text. And for the Zapier integration, I don't know if you're familiar with Zapier, but by clicking this, it just creates a Zap that you can use. So basically, that's all for the bulk like features. You can do the same thing as I was showing you before, but individually. So you'll get a share link for your own video. Like for each video, you get a link. And
Well, maybe
let's
you
just
can
like
you can send
look.
the final link with the 100 videos through the chat. So whatever wanted to use like a pet uh videos and push it to the Instagram or TikTok, they can go ahead.
Perfect. I'll share. Yeah, good idea. I'll share these with you guys so you can use it, and you'll have a template for 100 and something like videos ready for with pets and everything. And well, this is like the individual video like with your own logo and everything. So this is quite interesting if you want to promote your own brand. Going back, well, we do have as well like monthly content. So let me see. Let's say I want to go just with pets. So I'm going to just go with category like pets. And I want to, for example, make just 4 videos, one for each Friday of the following month, so August. And I'm just going to use calendar ideas, and I just want to use the categories. So celebrities with their pets, maybe let's see on the previews. So one, let's select the pet care. Sorry, it's just taking, there we go. One with cutest pets, one with celebrities with their pets. I like this parrot, so let's go with pet care. And there we have our 4 projects selected. Let's start a new one. 4 videos selected. Let's start a new project. There we go. And it's gonna take us to the editor. But here you can see that since I activated the calendar view, as you can see in the preview, we have some dates. So let's make that happen for August. July, it's already over. So let's just go with August and that's it. And here we go. So in here, sorry, I clicked on the preview, so sorry for your ears. Okay. There we go. Whoops. Yeah, sorry. It was a nice music to add to this Friday. You can see all the changes in the preview here, but we can customize the date. So it goes here, and let's change it for 6th of August. Here we go. So it's gonna be apply. Oh, sorry, I didn't. Oh, I changed the last one. It gets organized that way. So let's organize everything. So one for the next, the 13. There we go. So we have the August 6th, August 13th. 2 more to go, and that's gonna be it. So I have, in this case, like 13 is ready, 20, and our last one. And we have the content for the full month. As always, like you can customize it. I'm just using the pre-made templates, but you can customize it and use it for whatever you're aiming for. So you just have the editing table. I just think this is like a cool trick. So we're gonna go now to export.
Belle?
So we only have,
Belle,
sorry.
I have a question since you're on that page. Sorry.
Go ahead.
The first on the timeline on the right side there, where the birds are. Say I wanted to. I've tried to upload my own movie files. With my own graphics that are animated. But what I've realized is that the time frame is longer than those first 4 seconds. Can I extend that first section or continue it all through the timeline? One of my movies to have to be through the timeline.
So the time of the scene actually depends on how much text you have. So if you wanna like extend the scene, for now we're working actually on customization options and seeing like you can use different like section of your clip. But for now we just take the first seconds of the clip, sorry. And to extend it, you'll have to fill in more text. So I don't know, here's something like welcome pet birds, and it's gonna change to like here we have like 4 seconds. If I fill longer text, as you can see, it's taking a bit longer. So it's depending on how much text I have here, how much seconds it's gonna last. But we're working on making you able to customize more of it.
We did it
that would
like,
be great.
We did it like that at the beginning because like having to edit like 25 videos or 100 videos, we don't want it like people having to go like scene by scene, like calculating the text. And then we introduced this like kind of smart algorithm, but at the end of the day it's like backfiring because some people want more control. So and then you have to be like playing with the text to have that control, and that's not like, I mean, for some people it's working, but there are a lot of users that are like having frustrations with that like behavior. So it's in right now we are working in a little control. I will send the maybe the wireframes later on in the Facebook group, or maybe here. And when we will like add like a way to customize by a scene, like to add in the scenes and to customize the length. So you will be able to choose if you want the smart Skynet thing, or if you want to have your own control to like to control the entire length of the scene and things like that.
Even like I was discussing with you, a blank template, where I can have like a timeline. I'm used to obviously the Adobe programs, which are a little more steeper learning curve. But this is excellent for people just to get the content out. They don't have time for that. It's perfect. But then for someone like myself, who's been doing this, the animations and the process, I could see some other people wanting to have, more of a blank canvas, but still have the engine of the tool. It's just an idea, but obviously it's something down the road later. That's not your target audience.
It's like
but I think with the scenes control, you wanna get some like kind of like that. It's not gonna be like a blank canvas, but at least you're gonna be able to quickly remove scenes and start from scratch. So it's kind of there is a lot of people that are asking for that, for having just more control over over the length of the scenes, the amount of the scenes, like over deleting the scenes. You actually
Yeah,
can delete and add scenes in the spreadsheet, but it's
yeah, and
kind of
from
hard
here as
having to
well.
go there, remove the columns, then coming here, import. It's better if we have it like a control in the UI.
Okay, very cool. Yeah, nice.
So yeah, sorry, going back, I'm just gonna proceed to export once I'm happy with it. Yeah,
All right.
sorry.
Well, can we take some questions very quickly while we is that okay?
Yeah, do you mind if I just click on export?
Oh yeah,
Or do
not
you
at
want
all.
me to keep on the
Yeah,
perfect?
go ahead.
Then I'll
Go
just
ahead.
export and yeah,
Yes.
I'm ready to hear all the questions.
Okay. So we have, can video progression be shown on the border? So I think Key was asking video progression. Could you help elaborate this? And there is a video link which has been shared. I think this was a question from Aditya. Has that been answered, Aditya, or do we still need to take care of that?
I'm gonna share the link I've showed before on the Facebook group, and I'm gonna share it with you, Nalish, if it's okay.
Yeah.
So you can later share them with the group.
Yeah, for your group, right? Yeah, sure. Post it. Yeah.
Great. So you'll have that link ready. I don't know if that answers the question.
Okay. And then we have a few more. If we add the dog tag, will it fill for all the scenes in that row?
Here, for example, I used the dog tag just in one row, so just one media. So it's gonna use it for just the media one on my first video. But for example, if I wanted to use in all the media, I'll have to use dog here, and dog here. I don't know if I'm being clear, but just like each media represents like the media for each scene, and each row corresponds to a video. So if I want to put, I don't know, home here, and here I can use like pet shop. It would have to be individual for each scene and each video.
Yeah, the cool thing that if you are working in the spreadsheet is that you can just like drag and drop, and it's gonna like pop up everything like really quick.
Yeah, if I want to repeat this, I just can use this.
Where is the spreadsheet? Where's the spreadsheet on the dashboard? Is it under the export access to the template for the spreadsheet?
So if you don't mind, I'm gonna just finish explaining the calendar feature real quick, and I'm gonna show you all about the spreadsheet. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Perfect. So just to end with this cycle for the calendar, I as well can download it. But if I click share and I click on calendar, it's gonna as well ask me for permission. So I'm gonna just sync my Google Calendar real quick here, and whoops, here. Sorry, I didn't click before. It's gonna like sync these videos with my Google Calendar. So this is my calendar for August. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, I can see my videos here. So it's like Woxo calendar ideas. And if I open them, I get this link I was telling you guys about with the single video. So it's just for the date, and I can share either that link, or I can share the video. So yeah, I don't know. It's just a cool trick I like to share. It's like a party trick. So since we're finished with all this, let me show you once again what I was talking to you about, the integration with the Google Sheet feature. So you have it next to the branding thing. So you just click on integration and import Google Sheet. and you just paste the sheet. So this URL here. I'm gonna show you quickly, like I'm gonna delete these things so it's easy, it's gonna be quicker to upload. Let me just like delete these things. And we'll just see what happens if I use these tags. So let me just copy here, and I just need to pull. So you see that here's a thing that says pull. I just paste my URL here. I'm just gonna pull.
And cross your fingers.
Yeah, let's hope that it does crash. No, it's okay. It's okay. For now, I don't have, let's touch wood. But yeah, no, since it's 7, it's like it's easier. And there we go. And you can see that, for example, this was dog. The second one was home. It was dog, and home. Okay. So let's see in the preview. Since I put it two same keywords, it's gonna repeat the same image, and you can see, yeah, it's the same image. But in here, it was pet shop, house. I don't remember. Home. Oh, home. It was. So as you can see here, we have a different image, and it works like that. Yeah. And all the templates I was telling you guys about, you can find them in here. You can either like, sorry, I got lost. Oh, because it's calendar ideas. You can search in here. Sorry, Daria, I don't remember exactly where was the template ball, because I know it's in the tutorial.
You can like that. Yeah, because we move it. Like at the beginning, we have it there. But if you look at every carousel, just scroll down, Belle. Scroll down.
Oh yeah, here, like, go to sheet.
Every carousel has the link to the spreadsheet. It's like having the source code of the videos, of the video templates, that you can go there, grab it, copy, paste, and do your own modifications.
Oh, very
even
cool.
Collaborate. Yeah. And there is a link, like the ball. Like we have it. If you just select the category that has a few. Oh, sorry. There was a delay in the connection. If you select a category that has a few items, and then scroll all the way down, at the very end you will see the link. But you have to scroll. Scroll down.
I think it's better to just like go to tutorials and search for template bold. To be honest, it's gonna be
everybody has his own tricks.
Yeah. Yes, you just like click template bold here, and an article, it's all ready to say like, how do I use the community bold? And there's a link, like an explanation, and yes, you just need to click here, and it takes you to the community bold. So yeah, I think that's easier.
Yeah,
I don't know.
All the templates that we are showing in the front end with the nice preview, they are all based on that ball. So every time that we add a new template, or somebody wants to collaborate to add a new template to our ball, like our creative team, like do like a check, like with the copy, the images, and things like that, then we've run a script that grabs all those templates and input it in the system backend, and then the system can show it in the front end, in the front end. While we are aiming like adding these templates, like, and having them public, it's like invite everyone like that wants to collaborate and add their own templates to put it there, and just to because Woxo is about that. It's about sharing. It's about community. It's like so that's why we put all the templates like open. It's like we call it open source. It's not like really like source code, but in a way there is the video source that is there public, like for everyone to share and collaborate. And at some point we will be trying to get more creators into the templates ball. We have been working with two guys, one from Ecuador and the other one from India. They have amazing ideas. Their names are Raj and Jose, Raj and Jose, and they have like amazing ideas. And what we are doing is just adding their creations little by little, and at some point like just creating like a kind of marketplace when like creators can push their templates there, and then if somebody wanted and want to pay for them, like the creators can get and earn some money from their creations.
Where do you get your stock photos from currently? Uh, is it just like stock photos or from contributors?
We use pexels as the main like as the main source. And we
Yes.
ask all the creators to use pexels or any other like um,
Copyright
community
free.
I
Yeah.
mean copyright free source, but at the end it's up to the creators. So if they use a pic, we we go through all of them, like making sure that they are not like infringing any copyright thing. But to be really,
Yeah,
really
like
transparent, we don't
Unsplash.
have a
Yeah.
100% sure mechanism to make sure that one creator doesn't like push an image that it has like a
It's like cheats
from.
or anything. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of experience with that, with using sports paintings, drawings, and the trademark, the copyright from the team logo to the photographer that I painted the picture from. The photographer could send you a letter. It's crazy, the copyright
Yeah,
Yeah.
issues.
Yeah. That's
that's
why, like, all in Voxel, like music, well, fonts, everything, unless you upload your own, where that we have no control. But if not, it's copyright free. Yeah.
Yeah, I have
So
a
we don't have to
first-hand
worry about it.
experience. I really have a first-hand experience of my entire channel getting deleted just because.
No way.
Well, yeah. I mean, there was not much content on there, to be honest with you. But I put a music from Upbeat, which is also on AppSumo, and
Oh,
they erased the copyright thing. So my channel, anyway, they sorted it out, but it's very strict now, right? So have to be within. I'm sure they're using AI algorithms and all sorts of things to run the checks. So a little bit
mm,
violation, and you could be in real trouble. I mean, I know a guy who had like 100,000 subscribers, and his channel was
oh
gone due
no,
to a violation, right? So he had to start from scratch.
wow.
Yeah.
it hurts.
So
Like,
yeah,
Uh,
just
and it was
just hearing
cut
about
in
it.
YouTube. It was in YouTube
yeah, he's on
or
YouTube.
in.
Yeah, he's on YouTube. His channel is called JP High Tech Reviews. 100,000 subscribers. Channel is gone. He started
Oh,
again. Now he's at like 3,000, 4,000 subscribers again.
Wow.
He's gonna build it again, but one copyright
everyone go
violation.
follow him.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, have to be careful with this. And I mean, I'm sure Joe can speak up to that a lot more, being the creative brains. So I mean, I just found out once my channel got deleted, but I'm not. I'm sure he knows a lot more than that. So
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm scared. I'm scared to add the music now from Upbeat. I don't know.
yeah. No. Now it's good. Now I
It's
haven't
good.
received anything. It's all white labeled. They removed all the things and everything is, but just the initial shock. It's good now. Yeah, yeah.
Well, that's great to hear that it's fixed already. So yeah.
And can users add like their purchased images which they have copyrights for, like user rights for, kind of thing, or like if they have access to images which they have purchased, they can add it, right?
Yeah. Yeah. At the end, it's like having a spreadsheet, and as long as you have the source of the image, of the public link of the image, you can use your own things. So like just
Yeah,
copying and pasting it there. Like see,
like there's a mix, yeah, from here and there. So like pixels, Vimeo. So yeah.
and you can like also like upload it through the UI if you wanna push the source of the media there. If
Yeah,
you
you
don't
just
want it to
need
have it
to,
public.
Yeah, just like go to my uploads like I've shown before and upload anything you want, like from music, fonts, videos, everything. So yeah.
That's great.
So I think the video section is covered for now. I'm gonna just quickly wrap it with the widgets. So let's not forget about the widgets. We do have them as well. So the widgets can help you with SEO to keep your customer loss with SEO. Sorry. I've been mixing the syllables all week. So you just go to widgets here, and we offer for different social networks. So I'm just gonna go with the Instagram one, and there we go. You can change it from here as well. You can use it for any public Instagram, and you can connect your own Instagram. So let's just wait for it to load, and I'm just gonna create this one. So let's add some cute pets to the mix. And as I told you about, you can like just connect your feed or just use a random one. For example, if I'm a pet shop and I don't have my own Instagram, let's say I'm gonna go with pets, that it's a cute Instagram account that shows like just cute pet videos. So there we go. And it just, I can customize the title. I can change like the color, the logo size, so I can make it a bit bigger here. I can opt not to see it, so every time you see the eye, it's gonna like allow the possibility for you to hide sections or display them. And well, same thing, you have custom like general layout customization, so you can choose to have like less columns on display or just maybe add one more. There we go. And we have, well, some like mobile customizations, and also as well like advanced. I'm not an expert with technology stuff like with tech and code, but if you are, you have custom CSS and you have tutorials to help you with that. So you just copy and paste the whole thing here, and you can customize like the background color, and I think it was the font. So, or you just can like ask us in the chat box, and we will helping you with that, and you just need to copy and paste the code. And there's a cool thing here that it says like open Lightbox or open Instagram. Since we want to keep our users on the page, I'll recommend you opt for open Lightbox. So instead of taking your users to your Instagram account once they click on the post, if you click on the post, what it's doing is just open a preview here. So like kind of a pop-up. So they won't leave the page. They will stay on the page. They will spend longer time on your page, so you'll rank higher on Google. Once you're happy with all these results, you just click on publish. And once it's all ready, you just need to copy the code. If you have WordPress, Shopify, or Wix, these are the most common platforms, you can just use the tutorials. We have as well tutorials for other platforms. And you can always ask for help, as I was telling you about, on the chat, on mail. You just reach to us and we'll help you. And we also offer the option to lazy loading. So I'm not entirely sure how this works, but your data will not be like your qualification. I don't know how like you rank this, but it helps you with the ranking of SEO, as I was mentioning. So everything's good. Everything's covered. I don't know. I've been asked about this on the 2 or 3 webinars before this. I just wanted to like clear that out.
I think it loads in the
it.
background. I believe the images load in the background as a page loads. It increases page speed for SEO. Yeah.
Thanks for that,
it's like that.
I'll owe you one.
I love the Instagram feature, the widget. If people are doubting, Woxo, I don't know if I need all this, the video and the spreadsheet, the widget alone, it brings great value. I mean, my wife saw it and she says, "Oh, I could use that." She's on Instagram all the time, posting pictures of our kids
Nice.
doing this and that. And, Sesame Place, we just went there. She has 1,000 pictures. How do I put it on my website? I said, Woxo, there you go.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah, and
Woxo.
a little thing about our widgets is that like their main difference against like other companies that offer widgets is that we offer unlimited websites and unlimited page views. Like most of the other tools have like a limited amount of websites that you can add your widget and a limited amount of views. Uh, so with
Yeah.
these widgets, you don't have to worry about because the technology that we are using behind super cheap. So we have the not the ability but the luxury, let's say, the luxury to offer this like, hey, that just put it in whatever size you want and and have it like as much page views as you want. Like because as a business owner, you don't want to be worried. Hey, let's see if this month my widget has more traffic, they're gonna put my widget off. That's
They're
something
gonna
that we
charge me if
hate.
I get
Like
more visitors.
yeah, it's just you put it there once and then you scale to let's say 1 million visitors a month and you are fine. We are not gonna be removing the widget from there or showing an ugly wall that says,
Oh, yeah,
hey,
don't
you
remove
have
the
to pay
widgets.
for more. Yeah.
It's
No,
great.
no,
You
no,
have
it's not in our
it's a
plans.
it's a two-in-one tool, Woxo. You could actually make the widget, Instagram widget, a separate platform. I'm glad you
Yes.
have it combined,
Yes.
which it's a two-in-one tool, which is amazing. Usually you don't get that. You get one tool and that's it, and this is all we're going to give you. And then if you want this, we're going to add it on, and it's a whole nother price point. So for people that are like, I don't know, I said, look, get this deal before it's gone, because like I said, the Instagram widget alone is great quality, great value.
Thank you so much, Joe. Really.
Thank you.
Well, so I
Yeah,
think
and
that
to
yeah,
be honest, full credit to Joe. He's very
It's not me. It's
honest.
just
Yeah.
Daryl. We connected right away. We were talking, and I invest in founders. Most of the time with LTDs, and I found him to be one of the most open to community, to users, chatting, talking. Our kids are going to get married. He has 2 little boys. I have 2 little girls. I told him he's paying for the wedding though, but we'll see. We'll see what happens
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, and I have to say that we haven't like paid anything to Joe. Like it's, at the second day that Joe just asked me like at 2 a.m. like about work, so was doing a lot of questions and giving us a lot of feedback. I just said to him, hey, do you want me to grade your tier to a bigger tier to have like more benefits in Woxo because you are helping us so much. And guess what was the Joe's answer? It was, hey, buddy, we
that's
are not doing this for anything. I just want to invest in founder. I believe in what you guys are creating. I like your work and I want to help you. That's it. That it doesn't have like an affiliate thing or any money or any like benefits from doing
Yeah,
that.
people
So
people
that's
ask me. They say, "Do you work for Woxo?" I said, "No, I just, I
yeah.
just like the tool. Connected with the founder, with the support is great,
Yeah.
and I really felt, a lot of people were sleeping on it on Sumo Day. They weren't talking. They were like not sure. They had other tools that were similar. I have a lot of video tools, as everyone in the community knows, video tools, but there was something about Woxo talking to you, how the development process, accepting some input, and it was nice. It was like, wow, I really like these guys, the team. It's going somewhere, and I was just happy to be part of it. If you do have a tier 10 plan in the future, you could give me like a little discount, maybe, because I need more. I
Okay.
need more exports.
and the plan is for Woxo to
Okay.
pay for the wedding. So yeah, we need to succeed. Like how many
It's gonna
years
be
you
a, it's gonna
still
be a
got
Woxo wedding. We're gonna have a Woxo wedding. Yeah,
a Woxo wedding?
in Disney World. In Disney World.
Yeah.
Please, with all Disney videos. So yeah, we'll do have to manage the copyright there, but we'll see.
So lots of good comments. Joe is a Woxian expert. If Joe loves Woxo, the whole LTD community does. Joe is a video guru. So yes, absolutely. Very creative. Sparks always great conversations and very thoughtful. So, people who are actually tuned in live and who are going to watch this video. So, if Joe is recommending something, I'd highly recommend it and go by his, recommendation always. So there you go, Joe. Lots of good comments. Arranging your kid's wedding already. This LTD must be really on fire, really fire. Who is that? That's Olivier Coffee. So hey, I do want to give a call out to all the people who have tuned in live and who are watching it. So thanks again. I know it's probably late for a lot of folks. Aditya, thanks for sticking by. Lots of good comments. So Joe, yeah. Let's go for tier 10. Who is that?
Yep, let's go for it. I'm ready. My wife was like, no, come on. You gotta stop spending so much money on this video tools. But this one, I told her, this one's different.
Yeah.
It's my passion, Mom. Let me.
Absolutely. Lots of value for sure. And a great team is very important to, in terms of Woxo, it's already a very well developed tool, but having a good team behind it is so extremely important, right?
And a sense of humor. I mean, the first thing you get when you sign up, they send you the reward you get is the video of Dario playing a Christmas song on a keyboard, and I was like, this is my kind of tool. If I would work for a company, SAS like this, it would be this one. It would definitely be this one. It's great. Sense of.
Thank you.
Yes, it's good to be here. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie.
So not very late, 3 a.m. here. Thanks, Shizur, for sticking by. I think it's late, but I hope you get some good sleep. It's weekend, so okay, all right. Hey, one question I do have, and this is my. So I see some of the integrations and how to use it with WordPress. So one of my favorite tools, one of my absolute favorite tools, which was on AppSumo, is Paperfarm, and they recently released a plugin. So what that plugin for WordPress does is basically Paperfarm is a SaaS-based tool. You create beautiful forms, but they released a plugin, so it allows me to embed the form using a shortcode into WordPress site. So would you be open? And I know probably developing a WordPress plugin is an entirely different task, but something which would be more appealing to a lot of users, considering WordPress is still a very popular platform. And would you be open to looking into having a plugin, or do you already have it, where I can create a video, I can install the Woxo plugin, and then using a shortcode, I can maybe dynamically, as I create pages, I can embed them into my site.
Wow, that sounds great.
Technical part, Dario.
Yeah, I thought that you were talking about the widgets, but yeah, that with the videos and also the widgets too, right?
Yeah.
Feel so especially with the dynamic videos. That would be really cool. Like just adding your plugin there, like adding your your API key or something like that, and then having videos automatically in your WordPress. Cause the dynamic videos, like in my previous job, I worked for a company that they made like these big landing page generators, and I always been like super passionate about how you can like spread the data and create like a million pages and things like that.
Yes.
So they dynamically match with that like mindset that when you just put a code and base it on variables, you can like change things based on your data. And having a plugin for WordPress that can do that seems super cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So So what I mean, what it is would be in WordPress would be just like a repeater field, and every time you create a video, I think in Voxo the way it would work is, I mean, initially we would just have like a short code, but eventually, as you create a video, you can have the repeater like functionality in a page, and the video gets created and embedded directly. So let's say I create 50 videos, my WordPress page gets updated with all those videos already embedded in, right? So something to think about. I mean, I don't need you to commit right
Yeah.
now. It would involve some work, but I mean something to,
Yeah,
because you're
for
already
sure,
working on a lot
we
of
will add it
automation. Yeah.
to. Yeah, we for sure we will add it to a roadmap. Yeah, for sure. Then we have to prioritize what we have to do first.
Yes.
But I mean, like this feature. Wow, wow. Yeah, I thought that you were talking about the widgets, but having it for the videos, like, and especially the dynamic videos. Wow, that's oof. That makes
That's
total sense.
interesting.
You know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because huge community too, right? So it would appeal to a lot more folks.
yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, because in the other way, you can do the same, but it's a bit more hacky. No, you have to copy, paste on a script, put it in an iframe or not, and it's hacky stuff. But if you have the plugin, yeah, it's gonna be already there. We are not WordPress specialists. To be honest, we like in our company we are more focused in the main stack, just React and those things, Node.js. But having the opportunity to create a WordPress plugin, like to help you guys more, yeah, that's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Yeah,
Okay. Some feedback on that from Wilson, and one of our
yeah.
very valued community members
Two
as well.
open,
So that would be,
three
I
with
think,
mine.
yeah, yeah.
Wilson's
Good,
my
good.
FOMO buddy. Yeah, Wilson. I always try to not push too much video tools in front of him because then he'll buy it before me, and then he blames me.
So it's team. It's like you work
Yes, we blame
together.
each other. He shows me this one,
Yeah.
video tool. I show him Woxo, and it's like, all right, we blame each other.
Yeah.
Good work. Good.
Okay. I think, sorry to interrupt there, Bell. I think we can continue if there is more stuff you want to make people aware about, or yeah.
I think that's it. Let me check on my list. But I think with the widgets,
Yeah,
I've
we missed
already.
the dynamic video part.
Oh,
I don't know if
okay.
we still having time to show it or
I'm okay for time,
we can just
but up to
okay.
you guys. Totally up to you. I'm okay for time. You're always welcome, to do more sessions. I'm more than happy. I have all the time in the world for Joe
Yes, we
and
could
you
we could do
folks.
this every night if you want, every day. I'm available. The kids might be
I
running
love
around in the
it.
background, but I'm around.
That's cool. Totally cool. You can have them join in the live as well. So,
They're gonna come with their like cheerleaders. So I'm just gonna show you like the dynamic videos real quick.
Okay.
So we go to the editing area. I'm just gonna delete I'm just gonna keep one video. So we're gonna delete this one. Oh, sorry. Oops. I'm gonna delete these 4 videos. Like delete. Bye. And in here, with the video that's left, I'm just gonna add 2 like these variables. So one is gonna be greeting, and the other one is gonna be like name. Let's export it real quick. So build one video. And well, in the meantime, if there's any questions left, I'll take it. Like we may have like a couple of seconds to spare if someone has a burning question they want answered.
Yeah, but I think you forgot to toggle, like clicking the toggle for the dynamics.
I forgot. Yeah, sorry.
Oh,
I was building like
that's okay. That's
sorry.
okay. Yeah, you are building a native
Once
one.
once
But
yeah,
that's fine.
once you finish this, you go to export and I forget, but you need to switch to dynamic videos. That was why I was like, it's taking quite a long time because you'll see. Like
Yeah,
dynamic videos, it's built in 1 second. Like it's super like super fast. So I'm just gonna copy. This works like this. You activate the dynamic content switch and you go to the landing page feature. As always, we have the preview and everything. And you can see here it says greeting name, so it's a bit weird, but let me show you the trick. We're gonna copy the URL. Here it says dynamic, so I'm just gonna copy to clipboard and I'm gonna open it here. And as you can already see, my URL here says greeting value and name value. So what is this? Let me show you here. Oh, I forgot to put the space, so I'm gonna have to maybe click on the space here. So in greeting value, I'm just gonna click on hi. And on name, I'm just gonna click, well, John, I'm gonna use you as an example. I'm sorry, you're gonna be the start of today's episode. So here we go. I'm just gonna refresh now the page. And you're gonna see, chun chun chun. There we go. So hi, John, you have your videos. Sorry, I forgot to put a space in the editing area before the two values. So that's why I had to add this little thing. But you can see that the video has changed with the values I filled in here. So every time it says like greeting value, it's gonna say like what you filled in. So you can create dynamic content in here and use it for all your customers. You can use it maybe in different languages. So hi, bonjour, like different things, and for all your clients' names. So you can connect everything and just let your imagination like take you
yeah, you
to a lot
can.
of places
Yeah, and
with
just
this. Yeah.
yeah, you can use it with the dynamic pricing. Like in the case of an airline, you can use it with dynamic routes. You can also and you can even change the images, the media, not just the content. So you can like if you want a different picture for a different kind of audience, and you have tagged them like in the right way, you can like show like a picture of a dog to dog lovers and a picture of the
And
cat
cats.
to cat lovers, and you can even change the music, the video shape, the colors, like everything, like dynamically in real time. And yeah, that's a technology that we had like under the hood. And then after like seeing all the community feedback, we decided, hey, just put it out there right now too, and let people use it. I think it's gonna be cool for email campaigns and dynamic landing pages. Uh, so yeah, we decided to put it out there and have feedback and keep like iterating on that part too.
I really love the dynamic the feature because it's something where you have another tool like NextWeave, that does the
Yeah,
large automation, and while
mm,
I love that tool, another great founder. I was trying to find a solution with that to send things on a more personal level, not sending thousands of emails through all these third party tools. And I felt like the Woxo dynamic is much quicker for me to do some 1 to 20 people. I could change the URL very quickly. It's an easier learning curve, which I like. It's like a middle ground, where I could also see it scaling to do the marketing campaigns that NextWeave is doing as well. But I just love the personal touch, and I just actually discovered the dynamic part. I was testing it a few days ago, so it's excellent.
so we will expect some questions at 2 a.m. Right?
Some new
Yeah.
questions.
That's okay. That's fine. Yeah, next week, they have like an entire ecosystem, like for the email marketing campaigns and landing pages. So they have a lot of integrations, really cool. The founder is a really nice guy. Uh, yeah, if you have to do something at a large scale, yeah, you may use NextQuip because they have a lot to offer you. But if you need some quick stuff, more like raw stuff, you can like just use this dynamic feature from Woxo as well.
And if you want bad jokes and memes, you are always welcome, like to our team.
Yeah, I'm all
So
about
yeah,
the jokes and memes. That's my life. I love it.
yeah. So yeah,
Excellent. I mean, yeah, you do need a lot of sense of humor because in our community things can get pretty heated. So I like Joe's post for the fact that it's lighthearted, it's fun, but it's also very meaningful as well, right? So yeah, yeah. You haven't met some of the angry people in our community yet, but me and Joe were talking about it the other day. It's good to stay away from them, but I hope
It's a fun bunch. They most of the community, they want everything unlimited in the deal, right? But then if it's
oh, that's
unlimited, they
true.
say, "Wait, how is this going to scale? You have to have some limits. I'm worried about
Yeah,
this." So it's like, "Wait, do you
yeah,
want unlimited
yeah,
or do you want limits?"
But
yeah,
honestly,
yeah.
we've been having some really nice experience with the community. To be honest, like just a few couple of like really mostly weird experiences, but for the rest, it was super welcoming. It's our first lifetime deal, like this type of engagement, and yeah, we weren't used to it, but it was a really fun and nice experience. So thank you, everyone.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
it's
and
great. I mean, it's yeah. Go ahead. Go
go
ahead.
go go go. No, no, go.
No, please, please. I like talking, so
Go.
please go ahead. Yeah.
Me too. Me too. Go.
No. I mean, great community, lots of fantastic feedback but there
Yeah,
can be heated conversations as well sometimes. But for most part, it's great. So but when it comes to Joe, there is a lot of humor, which I really enjoy. So
Thanks.
yeah.
Yeah, I compare it to like a real family. So who doesn't have issues with their wife and or your kids or like, and it's all about like accepting that you are gonna have like times that you like gonna have trouble and challenges and issues. Accepting that and being open to solve them, like in a very transparent and honest way. Yeah,
yeah,
that's the way we think. Like if there is a misunderstanding, let's put all the cards on the table and let's have an open discussion and let's try to find the fair possible solution for both parties. And that's it.
yeah.
Like and accepting
I
that
think
as humans, we're gonna make mistakes, and that's okay.
yeah.
Like it's all about being open to solve them. Yeah.
So
Okay.
far, it's worked. So
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I don't see any more questions. We still have a few
Or
people.
people are doing barbecue and drinking beer. you know,
Yes.
Friday
Yes.
night.
Yeah,
Some
that's what I plan to
places.
do. I'm gonna go see some friends at beach tennis and have a beer with them. So later on, that's my plan.
Yeah,
But
yeah. Everybody.
yeah, yeah. And I'm sure you're in Miami, so it's always fantastic weather, always time to party, right?
yeah, I have, yeah, yeah. Before COVID, we have like a time like almost every weekend. It was a party or a birthday, and everybody on the group was like, "Oh, come on, we have been partying like 3 or 4 times in a month," and people were complaining, and then COVID hit, and there was this social distancing, and the people that were the same people that were complaining was like, hey, I miss the time when we did like karaoke at 2 a.m. and parties and stuff like that. Yeah, it's like interesting, like the way that we as human like see the world and how our vision changes based on our context. Yeah. So if you have a lot of parties, you are complaining.
Yeah.
If you don't have any, you complain as well. So yeah, it's about having finding a happy medium.
I think that's why so many video tools came out last year. In the last year, because not enough face-to-face interactions, and boom,
I
video
agree.
Yeah.
tools.
Yeah.
And I mean, video is the future, right? So absolutely, you are in the right space. I mean, I'm amazed at the scale at which you can create videos. So uh, fantastic. I mean, and you have been in this space already before this whole pandemic and stuff like that, right? So you must have seen the usage go quite a bit up during the.
Yeah. Yeah. Before the pandemic, to be like honest, we just had the widgets part and the consultancy side of the business. And after the first thing that we did when the pandemic hit is interesting. We were I cannot say like categorically, because you never have all the information, but we almost had the first mobile friendly COVID-19 map that were like over the internet. But we didn't like market it. We didn't have a marketing team at that time. So what we just did was create like an open source page and put it there and send a bunch of call emails to a lot of companies. And it ended up that the India Today, I don't know if you have heard
Yeah.
about them,
Yeah.
they bought they bought the map, and the map was like in their site during the whole pandemic. I think they have it there, like in a new rail yet, and we received like 90 million users in a month.
Oh
So
wow.
that was like, yeah, they they say, hey guys, you're gonna receive a lot of traffic, but we didn't know them. So and we say, hey,
And
that's
they meant
fine. We work with airlines. We are when they start sending traffic, the servers were like dun 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 dun. Then we had to like work quickly and figure out how to let 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 me plug my computer. Uh, we have to work quickly and figure out how to scale the infrastructure, and everything was great. So after that COVID map and that test to our infrastructure, then we decide to do the widgets, because we say, hey, if we were able to help a lot of people to stay informed about the COVID thing, and it was really cheap. Like, to be honest, like the infrastructure for hosting it was super cheap. So we said, hey, why don't like just scale this widget creation to allow everybody like to use this technology and put it there like really cheap. Like that's why we do the unlimited views and unlimited website, because we have tested the infrastructure with a lot of traffic, and it worked like super cool, and the costs were super low. And then after that, um, they came the videos after the fact that we wanted to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, but most of them they don't have a website like the ones that we were targeting. They didn't have a website, or not have it like the desire to have a widget, or don't understand what a widget is. So that's why we brainstorm like some how can we help all those people as well. So and came to the conclusion that, hey, nobody has a website, but everybody use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok now. Everybody needs content, so let's help them creating like videos in bulk to, yeah, to just allow them to be there, because in social media you have to be consistent, and to let them have time for create. Like if you are an artist, you deserve your time to create. If you are a small business owner, you don't have time to be like posting things into Facebook or Instagram every day. You are doing your thing, just like cooking your food, drawing your pictures, and doing things like that. So that's why we came into the video space. And that's why Woxo is two products in one. They feel somehow that they are just two different things, but we are aiming to just like put uh, tools in the hand of people to make them more successful in the digital world. Like with the widgets first, now with the videos, maybe we have like the WordPress plugin, and let's see what else we can like take from the feedback that we are receiving from the community and transform in something usable. Something that problems and the challenges. Sorry, I can't be talking about this the entire
Yeah, no, that's great.
I'm sorry about
No,
that.
it's all good. It's all good. We love the passion for sure, right? Bell, you too. Like we love the passion and the ease at which you went through the whole demo, right? And of course, everybody loves Joe's passion. So,
Thanks.
So I just want to shout out to a few guys who are watching live. To everybody who's watching, and I know I might miss a few names, but thanks a lot, Venkatesh, for tuning in. I think you did a demo with Venkatesh as well, so that's great. Fantastic guy. If you get a chance, you can watch Venkatesh's demo as well. Kikira, thanks for tuning in again and answering everything in the community. So I coordinate everything with Murray. So and Key, and I appreciate you answering all the questions in the community. We have Shizor, Jermaine, Wilson, Aditya. I think Paula was tuned in as well. Then we have Jason. Who else am I missing? Sajwal. Yeah, there we go. I think I've covered everybody. Olivier, Sam. Yeah, so thank you guys. Appreciate you tuning in live. Hopefully, a lot more people will watch it. The replay. And any questions, feel free to post in the community, as well as Kay, if you can go ahead and post the Woxo group link so that people can catch you there, and I'm sure there will be a follow-up questions as well. So any closing comments, Joe and Daryl, Bell, and then we can roll the credits and enjoy the weekend, right? I'm sure you did a lot of live demos this week, so everyone deserves it. Joe, go ahead. Yes, please.
Oh, check out Woxo if you haven't already. Great founders, great support team, great product. We have a lot of fun. I'll try not to, message them too much at 2 a.m. My wife is getting upset too that I'm talking to Daryl late at night, and she's like, "What's going on?" And I'm like, "Hey, it's Daryl. I gotta, we're talking here. We're talking about video, right?" But get Woxo. It's a great tool, and I'm not, and I don't work for the company yet.
Yeah. So thank you guys for having us. Thank you, Nilesh, for giving us the opportunity to share in the community. Thank you for all the feedback. Keep giving that it knows like out of bed. I'm trying to work every day to make a better product to solve more problems. Thank you for everything. You have been like the whole community have been super awesome with us. Even with this our first lifetime deal, we feel super blessed. If we have to start again, for sure, the first thing that because we try like that, we were doing marketing in other channels, trying to promote Woxo in other channels. But if we have to start again, we for sure we're gonna skip all of that and just go straight to the lifetime community and start from there because like everybody is so smart and super great. Like yeah, I'm super blessed to be sharing part of our journey with us with you guys.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Daryl. Bell?
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for everyone who's contacted us, who's talking to us. Thank you, John. Thank you, Nilesh. I think I talked a bit too much today, so just like to round up, a big thank you to everyone. I'm really grateful for all of this. So yeah.
Okay. And how long is the deal? Like, how long are you going to be on AppSumo for?
Yeah, we signed a contract that we will be at most 2 months.
Okay.
So from July 13, 2 months, but we don't have the final date. Like they don't like share it with us. We asked one time because there were some people like asking about when we were leaving AppSumo, and they say that they will make sure to like let everybody know beforehand we leave the store, but we don't have the exact date. Like if you come 2 months, it will be maybe in September 13th, but I'm not sure about that.
Yeah.
It will be early, but it's not gonna be more than that amount of time, but it could be early.
Okay.
But we don't have the exact date.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, great. So no, that's cool. I just want to make sure that people have enough time to grab it. So check out Woxo, everyone, on AppSumo. Check out their Facebook community as well. I've linked on the credits. I have left a link for Joe's website as well, so you can catch him there. And he runs his own Facebook community, so please check it out. Software Shade, and then thank you, Daryl. Thanks a lot, Belle. Joe, appreciate all you do, and thanks a lot. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Nilesh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.